protein meals, low calories, high volume, easy recipes. This is what I eat in a week in order to stay lean all year round. Exchange for Gains. What's going on, people? Welcome to another episode of Exchange for Gains. I'm your host, Ron. If you haven't been to my channel, this is the channel where we focus on nutrition and lifestyle. Essentially trying to build muscle, lose body fat. We're not going for the bodybuilding type. We're literally just going for a healthy physique. Today, we are going to focus on what typical meals I eat during the week in order for me to stay lean all year round. So without further ado, let's dive straight in with meal number one, breakfast. There's nothing more better to start your day with a healthy, fulsome breakfast. A breakfast that's going to keep you full without feeling bloated. I like to start my day with some jumbo Quaker oats and some unsweetened milk. For me, I find it important to weigh my meals so that I can keep track as to whether I'm in a surplus in terms of the amount of calories I'm consuming each day. I then add a scoop of chocolate and peanut butter whey just to add the extra sense of protein. I also include blueberries, blackberries and raspberries before serving the entire contents into a bowl. And for the final ingredient, I add some dark chocolate. Each square contains 71 calories. For this particular meal, I'll be including 2 squares, breaking them into small pieces. And there you have it, breakfast. A meal to absolutely die for. It tastes delicious, it's such an easy recipe to make, and literally can be completed within 7 minutes. Now when it comes to lunch, we are going for literally an under the sea vibe. When I say under the sea vibe, I am talking about literally, where are we? Some lovely sea bass, some salmon fillets, 2 whole avocados, and some veg. So I'll start by giving my 6 sea bass fillets a good wash. I then go on to season my fish with some fish seasoning, some rosemary and some parsley. As you can see, I'm just using my hands to ensure the seasoning is well embedded within the fillets. I then spray my pan with some low calorie olive oil. Literally each spray is only 1 calorie, so it's brilliant. By the way, my good people, if you're free in this channel and you're interested in nutrition, muscle gain or losing weight, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Whilst the fish is cooking, I'm just placing my first bag of veg within the microwave just before I start to carve out my avocados. As you can see here, I'm literally just carving out the avocado, carving it literally horizontal and vertically. For me, avocado is my favourite when it comes to healthy fats. It tastes so good, creamy and can go with so many different meals. I serve my portions relatively equal, ensuring that I get a good mix of protein, healthy fats and non-starchy carbs. With the salmon, I'm literally using the same ingredients as I did as the fillets, but I've placed them in the air fryer as a more healthier cooking option. And there you have it, lunch for the week. I'll also snack on some almond nuts, which is a great source of protein and magnesium, and also some low-calorie popcorn. When it comes to the dinner prep, I like to ensure that the volume of my meals are fairly high. Again, keeping with the theme of having a source of protein with each meal, for dinner we are having the following: some chicken breast fillets, seafood and chicken paella, which is a great source of additional protein to the meal, and some sliced string beans. Now when it comes to prepping the chicken, it's each to their own. I know there's a lot of people that's actually against washing their chicken, but for me, I like to wash mine. I'll be using some all-purpose seasoning and some barbecue seasoning. Again, I'm giving the chicken a good mix, ensuring that it will be oozing with flavour. As you can see, the chicken is well seasoned. And now pop it into the air fryer for approximately 25 minutes. With the paella, it's just a case of heating it up in the pan. Very simple. It'll literally be cooked within 10 minutes maximum. So we have paella, check. Chicken breast, check. String beans, check. It's now time to serve. There you have it, dinner meal prep for the week. And there you have it guys, easy recipes, lunch and dinner. High protein meals, my weekly meal prep. Alright my good people, that is all from me today. Remember, in order for you to stay lean, the three main components are nutrition, resistance training and rest. I'll repeat, nutrition, resistance training and rest. But until next time, if you're feeling this channel, like I always say, please feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, add me up on the socials. Peace. Exchange for gains.
Move it, Karen. Time I make those lifestyle changes. Do it like Darren.